I'm always amazed at what does well on Amazon, and I have two niches for you that you just aren't going to believe are doing well. One's kind of funny, while the other has a lot of possibilities as far as not just that niche, but the other things you can do with something like that. So, hi, I'm Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and if you want to hear more about low content publishing and interesting niches and everything Amazon and just learn making some money online, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's go right in to look at those niches. Alright, so let's talk about these two niches. Now the first one is guitar for beginners. And wait, before you run away and say, I don't know anything about guitars, I can't do this niche, let's chat for a second. This isn't just about guitars. Guitar for Beginners, How to Play Your First Song in 7 Days. It's a fantastic title, okay? And I think you guys all have a skill or something you know how to do. That thing that people say, you know, I wish I could do that. That's really hard. And you think that's easy to do. That is a skill that you could create into a book and do something like this. X for Beginners, How to Do X in X Days. It's a great title. It captures people's attention and it's really specific. Now, before you run away, let me give you a low content idea for guitars specifically. But here's two. You can do guitar tabs. That's really popular. It's also, what about guitar doodling? So like you outline a guitar and then people can draw in what they would like their guitar skin to look like or their amazing guitar, kind of a coloring doodling book. And that's a pretty good low content idea. But don't run away and don't dismiss the idea of creating a book about something you know and that you could teach people. This book's 135 pages, but people are busy. And actually thinking about it, reading a 135-page book in 7 days plus learning a skill, that seems like a lot. So don't necessarily let page and that sort of thing deter you from creating a book about something you know, because you can make it a whole lot shorter, very to the point, and it would really help a lot of people. Okay, so there's some ideas on guitars. Now this one I think is really fun. So it's from chewing to pooing. Isn't that great? So the food's journey through your body. Now, parents want to teach their kids about all sorts of things. And if any of you are interested in children's books, I think this could be a really great niche for you. And you may think, I'm crazy. I'm not saying specifically from chewing to pooing, but I'm saying think outside the box of what you want a children's book to be and what it should teach kids. You don't just have to teach kids ABCs. You don't just have to teach them, you know, their numbers or writing letters. Teach them something that they, you know, would be maybe that they're interested about, you know, the muscles in their arm, their parent's job, you know, if their parent is a mechanic or if their parent is a nurse or if their parent is a teacher. There's things that you can teach kids through just basic story, basic pictures that really can help a parent out by trying to explain something that their kid asks why all the time. But think outside the box. Don't just do your traditional kids books. Do something that maybe captures a little bit more imagination. Now this is actually pretty cool. I went down and there's like about, you know, why does it hurt when I poop and no way, and like children have some anxiety with going to the bathroom, things like that. Even just potty training. It gets Panda gets a potty, right? There are so many crazy things that you can do with kids' books, but these are two niches, the guitars and chewing to pooing, that are actually making money. And so there's no reason you can't come up with a creative, unique idea and make money too. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed these great niches that I think are just, it's amazing sometimes what makes money, right? But they're good ideas, and that's what you need to do. Kind of expand your creativity, think a little bit outside the box, and do something a little bit different. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love to have you here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.